This is the old version of Talking Tom 2.
This is the old version of
Talking.
Oh.
A cuckoo clock. Oh, there's a bird. Ben shooted it. Oh, pour water on Tom's head. Make Ben fart. Tom covers his nose when Ben farts until you hit him. So like this. Press the question button so he can do different things. And this also has mini games. Trying to eat. Nothing to eat. Oh, the cake. Ben. Trying to know where Angela is. So press the phone button.